Wow, it's a very beautiful morning. Look at these guys. They are having so much fun together. Oh my god, what is it? Whoa, it's a giant egg, and it is moving. Looks like the egg is about to crack. Oh my god, it's a giant T-Rex.
Guys, what was that sound?
Let's go and check it out. Oh my god! Hey guys, look, it's a T-Rex.
Guys, can you help me? I am hungry.
Hey, do not worry. I got you.
Wow, the boy is here with some fruits.
Hey, T-Rex, look, I got you something to eat.
Thank you, guys. But what are these?
I'll tell you what this is. This is called banana.
That was cool.
It's my turn now. This is called as mango. I hope you liked it.
All right, this is called guava.
This is called orange.
And this is pineapple.
That was awesome.
Circle.
Oval.
It's a heart. Here is Pentagon.
Yes!
Rectangle. It's a square. It's star.
triangle.
Hey baby, scooter ride feels amazing. We should do this more often.
Yeah, you are right.
Hey baby, look, it's water. Come on, let's have some fun.
The color of water is blue.
Wow, this is amazing. Hey look, it's grass. The color of grass is green.
Hey, look. It's a mango tree.
Yeah, come on, let's get some mangoes.
Yes, hit it harder. Wow.
The color of the mango is yellow. Hey baby, I have a surprise for you.
What are you hiding behind?
There you go.
Wow, roses. Wow. I like them.
Guys, the color of the roses are red. Wow,
Wow.
it's a gift.
Open it.
Wow, balloons. And the color of the balloons is pink. Hey, look!
Let's check it. Wow, it's an eggplant.
And the color of the eggplant is purple.
Let's take them and prepare delicious food.
Today we had so much fun.
Yes, you are right.
Huh?
Hi guys, let's play the game.
Wow, it's a Spinosaurus. It's a Triceratops.
Hey, it's my turn.
Okay, let's go.
Brachiosaurus.
Let's try another one.
Yes!
It's a Triceratops.
Look at this, guys.
I know that. Pterosaurs.
La la la. La la la.
Yes!
Stegosaurus. Come on, what's next?
Yes!
Oh no, it's a T-Rex.
Oh my god!
Let's escape.